Welcome back to News Nexus, where we decode the future today. In this episode, we dive deep into one of the most revolutionary forces shaping our world, Bitcoin's rise, and how it could reshape the entire global economy. From its mysterious origins to its future potential, take a seat, because what you're about to learn could change how you see the world. Let's begin. In 2008, during the wreckage of a global financial crisis, an anonymous entity called Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The goal was to create a decentralized digital currency, free from government control, central banks, and traditional financial institutions. Bitcoin wasn't just another form of money, it was a reaction, a protest against the failures of traditional finance. But few could have predicted the monumental impact it would have in just over a decade. Before we explore Bitcoin's global impact, let's understand how it works, in simple terms. Blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, public and tamper-proof, recording every Bitcoin transaction ever made. Mining. This isn't digging in the earth, it's solving complex puzzles. Miners validate transactions and secure the network, earning new Bitcoins as rewards. Scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, making it even more limited than gold. Bitcoin's design makes it decentralized, borderless, inflation-resistant, and incredibly powerful. Traditional currencies like the dollar, euro, or yen are known as fiat currencies. They have value because governments say they do, but they are vulnerable to inflation, political instability, and mismanagement. Bitcoin challenges this model: no central authority, limited supply, easy cross-border transactions, transparent and programmable. As faith in traditional currencies wavers, Bitcoin offers an alternative. Bitcoin isn't just a trendy investment, it's already reshaping the financial world. Here's how: emerging economies. Adoption. Countries with unstable currencies like El Salvador are adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Cross-border remittances. Workers abroad can send money home faster and cheaper with Bitcoin, avoiding high bank fees. Hedge against inflation. Big corporations like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square are buying Bitcoin to protect against the dollar's declining value. Decentralized finance. Bitcoin has inspired a whole movement of decentralized financial services, lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. This is just the beginning. The traditional banking system is starting to feel the heat. Now, let's dive into the big question: how could Bitcoin reshape the entire global economy? Banking disruption. If millions manage their own wealth through Bitcoin, banks could lose depositors and power. Reduced reliance on the US dollar. Bitcoin could weaken the dollar's dominance, altering global trade dynamics. Financial inclusion. Billions of unbanked people worldwide could access financial services through Bitcoin using just a smartphone. New monetary policies. Governments may need to rethink how they manage economies when Bitcoin flows beyond their reach. Tax challenges. Tracking decentralized wealth becomes harder, forcing new tax strategies and digital regulations. The rise of Bitcoin challenges the very architecture of global finance. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of how fast. Of course, Bitcoin isn't without its challenges. Here are the major hurdles it must overcome. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly. It's not yet a stable medium of exchange. Regulatory battles. Governments like China have cracked down on Bitcoin mining and trading. Environmental concerns. Bitcoin mining consumes massive amounts of energy, sparking debates about its environmental footprint. Scams and security risks. Without proper education, users can lose their Bitcoin through scams, hacks, or mistakes. But challenges often breed innovation, and the Bitcoin community is adapting fast. Imagine a world where Bitcoin isn't just an investment, but the core of a new economic order. Smart cities powered by Bitcoin. Cities where payments, taxes, and services are all powered by blockchain. Micropayments. Revolution. Instant tiny payments online could transform industries like journalism, gaming, and content creation. Global standard of value. Bitcoin could act as a global reserve asset, balancing national currencies. Will Bitcoin replace fiat currency entirely? Not likely, at least not soon. Most experts predict a hybrid future, fiat currencies coexisting with decentralized assets like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no longer just internet money. It's a growing force challenging how the world saves, spends, invests, and thinks about value. As Bitcoin rises, so does the debate. Is it the dawn of a freer, fairer financial future, or just another speculative bubble? One thing is certain, the genie is out of the bottle, and the world, ready or not, must adapt. This is News Nexus. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore the forces shaping tomorrow.